is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the cold weather package. We got a dual exhaust in the back, backup camera, roof spoiler, mud flaps on the rear, silver and black trim all along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a lovely remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. We do get hooks and doodads, 12 volt, all that jazz, cargo cubby holes, and plenty of more storage underneath with a spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with manual adjustable seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 52,987 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer, with my vehicle, trip and fuel, status of fuel, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, and drive modes, cup holders, storage here with some outlets, center console with tons of more storage, dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, storage below, hazards, media controls, and our lovely infotainment system here with audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any apps you may have downloaded, settings, and your features of the vehicle. Shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera, which is always pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA74201A, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.